Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for Tuesday the 21st of January 2025. So last Thursday I recorded a video just highlighting that the S&P was at a critical juncture here. Why? Because we had rallied from the bottom of this range, this trend range, right back up to the top, and price was stalled by this declining trend line and also by the 50-day moving average, which is this green line. And the question I posed last week on Thursday was, is this trend line going to be respected and we cruise back down to the bottom of the range, or is it going to be rejected and we get a breakout potentially to new all-time highs? Well, fast forward to today, incorporating Friday's price action, and things are looking good for a breakout. Now, I always like to see two consecutive closes on the other side of a trend line or a breakout zone or a moving average to confirm it. All right, but certainly things are looking good. I would say odds definitely favour a challenge of the previous high here for a couple of reasons. Well, one is we've broken above the 50-day simple moving average. The second one is we've broken above the trend line. The third one is if we run some Fibonacci levels from the all-time high to the recent swing low, we have cleared the 61.8% retracement level of that range. So this puts us in odds-on favourite that this new high becomes the new target and could potentially be taken out. Now, often when a trend line is broken, what the market will do is you can see a continuation, but often the market will retest that trend line, kiss it goodbye before then continuing on. So a move like that would not surprise me at all. Obviously, Trump has just been inaugurated, and I think the next couple of weeks are going to be full of headlines. All right, the market won't quite know how to decipher them. There'll be a lot of uncertainty, a lot of ambiguity, a lot of back and forth. So I don't necessarily think we go up in a straight line from here, but I do think the path of least resistance is higher. Now, things that will help the upward path in the equity market, one will be the dollar. All right, the dollar looks like it may have peaked. If we cast the clock back to 2017, the dollar also peaked at Trump's last inauguration, and certainly we've seen a little bit of weakness in the dollar here. If that dollar weakness continues, that's generally going to be a tailwind for equities. The other thing to keep an eye on here is rates. Looking at bond yields here, this is the 10-year yield. That peaked a couple of days ago at around 4.8. It's back down to about 4.6. And if bond yields continue to fall down, which means bond prices continue to rally, I think that's generally going to be helpful for equities, at least in the short term as well. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.